In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten a Microsoft Forms link in just about 5 minutes. One of the great aspects of Microsoft Forms is its ability to create quick and seamless surveys, quizzes, or registration forms. However, the links generated can be rather lengthy and not so user-friendly, especially when you're trying to share them on platforms with character limits or simply through SMS. But not to worry, Microsoft Forms has a built-in feature that allows you to shorten these URLs, making sharing a breeze, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is access Microsoft Forms. To do this, you'll ideally want to start by navigating to the official Microsoft Forms website. Once you're there, the site will prompt you to sign in to access your dashboard and forms. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. This is a crucial step to ensure that you can access your forms and apply the changes we're discussing today. Upon clicking Sign In, you'll be directed to a sign-in page where you'll need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Start by typing in your email address associated with your Microsoft account. After inputting your email, hit the Next button to proceed. Following your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password associated with your Microsoft account to avoid any login issues. After successfully entering your password, click Next to sign in. Now you're in your Microsoft Forms dashboard, which is essentially the command center for all your form-related activities. Here you can see all the forms you've created or shared with you. From this dashboard, select the form you wish to share. This will be the form for which you want to create a shorter link. Following your form selection, look for the option to collect responses. This is typically located at the top of your form. Clicking on it is pivotal as it brings you to the page where you'll find sharing options, including the beloved Shorten URL feature. Once you're on the Collect Responses tab, locate the checkbox or toggle for the Shorten URL option. It's usually quite visible, but if you're having trouble finding it, look towards the sharing options provided. Upon clicking or toggling this option, you'll notice that the initial longer link generated by Microsoft Forms magically transforms into a shorter, more manageable version. This nifty feature is not just about aesthetics, it makes your link more accessible and shareable across various platforms, especially where character space is limited. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective process to shorten your Microsoft Forms link. This shortened link can now be easily copied and pasted wherever you need to share your form. Be it on social media, in emails, or even text messages, this shorter URL not only looks cleaner, but also significantly improves the user experience for those you're reaching out to. Keep in mind, the functionality and steps I've outlined can slightly change as Microsoft evolves its platforms. However, the basic premise remains the same. Accessing Microsoft Forms, selecting your form, and opting for a more shareable link. To wrap up, it's worth noting that while the focus today is on shortening URLs within Microsoft Forms, there are other link shortening services out there. However, utilizing the built-in feature keeps your data within the Microsoft ecosystem, which might be preferable for privacy and data security reasons. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident in managing and sharing your Microsoft Forms links. Now, remember, the ability to share your form through a concise, friendly URL can greatly enhance response rates and overall user engagement. So go ahead, give it a try, and make your Microsoft Forms experience even more efficient and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.